So after having spent 90 days, 45 days for learning, 45 days for practicing the skill set, you can learn using Udemy, and then you can practice by repeating whatever you have learned in your course. Now the next thing you need to do is, I want you to find internship. And finding an internship is not a difficult job. By the way, if you look at your screen, Hire Intern is a Pakistani website where you can create your free profile, no strings attached, nothing. And then the idea is to get the customers' eyeballs on people belonging to a different skill set, and of course hiring them for their organizations. That's what the motive is. If you're from Pakistan, if you're from outside Pakistan, really doesn't matter. All you need to do is, as a freelancer who's looking for internship, to get direct mentorship from someone who's a subject matter expert, who's well experienced, got tons of years of experience on their back. Not only you'll be able to learn from the best, but of course you'll get polished in the process. And as a freelancer, for someone who wants to be self-employed, self-empowerment is a string that's connected with the likes of being polished, analytically corrected enough to learn the skills, think out of box, unorthodox at times, and execute things the way nobody's going to do in your competitive space. Easy as it sounds, right?